Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons, an initiative taken by Set Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself Mrudula Karderu, mathematics teacher for standard 5th. So children, let us continue with chapter number 15, data handling. So children, let us begin. Students, in the last session we had studied how to represent data with the help of bar graph. I had shown you how to draw a bar graph. Now let us continue with the same example. As bar graph is already drawn, let us answer for the following questions. On what day of the week the production was minimum? Minimum means less. So when you observe the columns here, you can see that on Thursday the bar is very small, that is production is very less, that is 100. So you have to write the answer as Thursday. On what day of the week the production was maximum? Maximum means more. You can see on Sunday the graph, the bar is very long, that is 300. So you write the answer Sunday. What was the total production during the week? So totally in 1 week how much production was done? So for that what you have to do? You have to calculate the number of productions done in every day. Monday it was 250, Tuesday 150, Wednesday 200, Thursday it was 100, Friday 200, Saturday it was 150 and Sunday it was 300. So add all these: 0, 5, 10, 15, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the total production of that week, during that week, was 1350. Similarly, we have another example. The following bar graph shows the speed in kilometers per hour of different vehicles, means of transport. Read the bar graph and answer the questions given below. Which has maximum speed among all? Here the graph represents the vehicles, that is cycle, scooter, truck, bus, car and train. And here it shows the speed of each and every vehicle. Which was the maximum speed? Which is having maximum speed now? Which is the longest bar here? That is of train, whose speed is 50 kilometers per hour. So the answer for this is train, because it has the maximum speed, that is 50 kilometers per hour. Is it clear, children? Next, which means of transport has minimum speed? Minimum speed means less speed. When you observe the bars here, this bar is very small, that is of cycle. So you write cycle has a minimum speed, that is 5 kilometers per hour. What is the speed of the bus? So children, when you observe here, we have bus, and what is the speed of it? So to calculate the speed of it, just see here, it is where the line is intersecting at 25, isn't it? So the speed of the bus is 25 kilometers per hour. Is 10 kilometers per hour the speed of scooter or truck? Who is having 10 kilometers? Just check. 10 we have for scooter, whereas for truck we have 15. So 10 kilometers per hour speed is for scooter. Is it clear? So like this you have to read the graph. Now let us move to exercise 15a. Question number 1. The following bar graph shows the number of students present on weekdays of a particular week. What was the strength of class on Monday? So children, here this graph shows the days and the number of students present on each and every day. On Monday, the number of students present were how much? The graph or the bar stops at 40. Whereas on Tuesday it is 35. Wednesday it is 45. Thursday it is 20. Next on Friday it is again 40. So on Monday we have 40, isn't it? So write here 40. On which day the number of students was maximum? Maximum means more. So you can see on Wednesday the bar is longer. So what is the strength on that day? It is 45, isn't it? So write answer as Wednesday. How many students were present on Tuesday? So check Tuesday column here. It is how much? The bar intersects to 35. So you write answer as 35. On which day the number of students was only 20? When it was only 20, check on 20 which will come. You can say it is on Thursday. So write the answer Thursday. Question number 2. Sanjay secured the following marks in an examination out of 100. So the subjects were Hindi, English, Maths, Science, Social Studies. And the marks obtained were, marks scored in Hindi subject was 65, English 75, Maths 98, Science 90, Social Studies 80. Question number A. Find the total marks obtained by Sanjay. So to find the total marks, what you have to do, children? You have to add all the marks. So add it. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. Next, 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 9, 26. 26 plus 7, 33. 33 plus 6, 39. Plus 1, 40. So totally we get 408 marks. Next we have, in which subject he get the maximum marks? Maximum means more. So when you observe here, 98 is the more. So in which subject he is getting? Maths. So write the answer Maths. In which subject he get the minimum marks? Minimum means less. So when you observe here, you find that he has got less marks in Hindi. That is 65. So write the answer Hindi.